Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is why does my Insignia TV have no sound? So, first one is ensure the TV isn't muted and the volume is turned up. And now just simply go ahead and go through the settings, sound, and just simply confirm the audio output is set to TV speakers. Another one is loose or damaged HDMI cables can affect audio. So make sure all connections are secure. And now another one is power cycle the TV. So unplug the TV for 30 seconds and then plug it back in to reset any temporary glitches. And now just simply go ahead and update the firmware and check for and install any available software updates to fix known audio issues. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. And thanks for watching. See ya.